Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix missing donation buttons in Please Donate. But first, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Before we start, I presume you have already performed refreshing the booth options and close and restart the game as well. So here is what you need to do. Close the game and then visit roblox.com and log in using your credentials. After that, click on the Create button on the top. In the Creator dashboard, you need to click on the Creations, then Experiences. Click on the place that has your username. Everyone has one automatically. On the left, locate Monetization and then click Passes. On the right side, you will find all the passes. Click on the pass that is not appearing in the booth. Let's click the first one. Switch to Sales tab on the left. Here make sure Item for Sale toggle is on. Sometimes in hurry we forget to turn this on and as a result donation button won't appear. If all the donation buttons are missing, repeat the same process for other passes as well. Now head back to Game, locate Unclaimed Booth, press and hold E and your donation button should appear. If this method fails, then try this. Close the game and then visit roblox.com and log in using your credentials. After that, click on the Create button on the top. In the Creator dashboard, you need to click on the Creations, then Experiences. Click on the place that has your username. Everyone has one automatically. Locate Configure on the left and under it select Settings. On the right side, locate Privacy and then make sure Public option is selected. After that, head back to Game and refresh the booth and donation button should appear. If this also fails, try this. Visit roblox.com and log in using your credentials. And then click on the gear icon on the upper right corner and select Settings. In the Settings, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions on the left and then on the right side, select Communication. Then select Experience Chat and make sure Experience Chat option is set to on. After that, head back to Game and refresh the booth and donation button should appear this time. So that's all about this video. I'm sure these solutions will help in fixing the issue. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.